This is the Pieced Heart die set from Spellbinders. There are two different dies in this set. One creates the shadow that I've die cut here in black, and one creates all the pieces for the heart on the front. I used it in two different projects recently. The first one, I just die cut that pieced heart with white cardstock and embossed them with different embossing folders for some different texture. To put the pieces on top of the shadow, I suggest going from the center of the heart and working your way outside. Liquid glue is definitely a help here because it gives you that wiggle room to shimmy and move those pieces in place. You can also do regular cardstock and do a bunch of different colors, or one solid color throughout the whole thing, but I love the different looks that you can get. I did another card with it where I also die cut them in white cardstock, but I did some ink blending on them with some distress inks so that once they were ink blended, I could splatter water on them as well as splatter watercolor paint in black on them to create some fun texture. Once they were layered onto the shadow, I can put them on my card. Now this is a 5x7 card, so this heart die is really quite large. This would also be fantastic for a mixed media project or for on a scrapbook page. But having all those pieces on that heart gives you a lot of different options.